Put your hands inside out, open it up, and then right over the cup. Hi, I'm Natalie Madison of Art is in Cakes, where we give you the tools and the knowledge to build your passion for baking. And today we're going to show you how to. So I found these two, they should work. So I'm going to set them right there. Put my bag tip side down and then open that bag up. So I'm opening that bag up. I'm just pulling this down toward the tip end and then place it right over the cup to hold it in place. And now we've got to spoon the buttercream into that bag. So I'm going to put pink in first, just about half, and raise the sides up. And it should look like that.